Wait, let me ask you on these, because I'm curious about one thing. It's a generational differentiation. Because if you do this with a group of 20-year-olds, 30-year-olds, 60-year-olds, is there any differentiation in the behavior?
In the human beings?
In the human being, with your experiments?
We've not looked at the age or any other feature. And part of the reason for that is that my laboratory has a kind of philosophical stance, which we call our common humanity philosophy, which is that we believe that human beings are more alike than they are dissimilar, and that all human beings are endowed with certain properties that have been shaped by evolution. Just like, for example, all of your pancreases, when they function normally, work the same way. They produce insulin, they have a certain particular anatomy, and so on. And so it doesn't matter if I study the pancreas of an old or young, or a woman or a man, that mostly the pancreases work in a similar fashion. And that's the part of social behavior that I'm interested in, the part that's relatively invariant. Now, I acknowledge that, of course, culture shapes behavior, gender shapes behavior, age shapes, all of those things do happen.
Yeah.
But my laboratory tries to get to what I would consider a deeper level of understanding, which is the fundamental. For example, we're fundamentally a friendly species. This is a line of work we're not discussing today, but I've done a lot of work in my group studying the evolutionary origins of friendship. Now, you all take it for granted that you have friends, but why? That's a very weird phenotype. We have sex with each other, and other animals, all sexually reproducing animals, have sex with each other. That's not uncommon. But we befriend each other. We form long-term, volitional, non-reproductive unions with unrelated conspecifics. That's the scientific definition of friendship. And unrelated is key, right? So packs of dogs are related to each other, but we form friendships with people who are not our kin, okay? Why do we do that? We do it, certain animals, certain primates do it, elephants do it, certain whale species do it. And it's universally seen in human beings, this phenotype of friendship. We evolved to be friendly. We evolved to be cooperative. We evolved to engage in social learning and to share ideas. And it's that core that interests me, and that these experiments are trying to discern what will be the impact of AI agents added into this background of human properties.